Today I want to talk to you about guardianship, and guardianship is very important when it comes to custody and access to children, particularly for the male in families where the partners have not married. So unmarried partners don't enjoy equality. The natural mother of the child enjoys constitutional rights, while the unmarried father does not. However, the unmarried father may avail of statutory rights, and there are certain considerations that are important when applying for statutory rights. The key word for these considerations is responsibility. The father must take responsibility for the children and show that responsibility and be able to demonstrate that responsibility to a court if making an application for guardianship. Guardianship is usually given as on request by a court, unless there is some serious reason as to why it should not be given. Guardianship is a very important aspect of family law for the unmarried voter, particularly when he wishes to exercise some sort of guidance, direction and control over the moral, intellectual and social education of his children. This becomes particularly important where a mother wishes to leave the jurisdiction of the Republic of Ireland and take the children with her. Guardianship is essential to have a say in whether that should happen or not. There is no reason why a mother may not take those children away if there is no participation in the family business by the unmarried father, who neglects to take any act or part in the upbringing of the children. However, it's quite a different thing if the father is a loving father, very dedicated and performs his duty in a very diligent way and caring way towards that family. In that event, if guardianship is granted, and it will be granted if responsibility is shown, the natural mother of the children cannot take those children out of the jurisdiction, because it would be unjust and unfair, not only to the unmarried father but also to the children, who would be deprived of his society. He is as an important carer as the natural mother, and the court will view that. So it's quite important to make an application for guardianship at the earliest outset, and this can be done by agreement with the partner. If there's no real reason why guardianship should not be granted, if the partner decides that she won't cooperate, it is important to go to the district court and make an application for guardianship of the children. That preserves the unmarried father's right to make further successful applications to the court to prevent the children being taken away from him in the future. I hope this is helpful to you. If you have any such problems, please come to see us at our office on 77 Dorset Street, and I'll refer you to the G case, which we were involved in a couple of years ago, where the rights of the father have now changed substantially since the old decision of Nicola versus Warwick, which said that the unmarried father has no rights to the children.